struggling about early hair thinning or hair loss, then it is mainly because of the premature hair loss. So if you are the one who are struggling from this premature hair loss, then here we have the customized solution for you. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aishwarya. I am a maxillofacial and cosmetic surgeon and the director and founder of AICMS India and Cosmosearch Cosmetic Clinic Pune. What is hair cyclical therapy? So it is completely scientifically based doctor's guided therapy for the hair regrowth. I have made a separate video on this hair cyclical therapy in detail. So to see that video, you can definitely check link in the description. There is a kit. Okay, it will have three separate boxes. Okay, so each box will have 2 types or 2 sets of tablet. Okay, so you have one box is for Monday, Thursday, second box is for Tuesday, Friday, and third box is for the Wednesday, Saturday. Okay, so you have to take one tablet in the morning, one tablet at the night. Okay, you have to continue this for at least 6 to 8 months. Okay, it will have all the multiminerals, multivitamins, amino acids, D3, B12, calcium, zinc, selenium, biotin in this particular kit. Okay, so we have one more kit. Okay, that is one of my favorite again, Capipro kit. Okay, so it is mainly they have divided this according to the multivitamins, multiminerals. Okay, so they have not made Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday therapy. So this is a universal therapy. Anyone can adapt to this particular therapy. Okay, so they have made 4 kits. Okay, so kit 1 is going to have all the ferrous and the iron and vitamin B12 supplements. Okay, then you have the kit 2 which will have all biotin components. Then kit 3 will have it will have overall multivitamins and multiminerals, and kit 4 will have all the molecules of the calcium which are mainly useful for the hair regrowth. So definitely you can go for this particular kit as well. So all these kits and products are available at us. So do DM us to get your customized solution. So if you fall in the category of moderate to severe hair loss or the hair thinning or hair fall or something like that, then definitely do contact us for your personalized consultation.